Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on data engineering in pharmaceutical industry. So did you know that data is the new gold in the pharmaceutical industry? Every day massive amount of data is being generated from clinical trials and genomics to patient records and supply chains. So if you are curious about how data engineering is transforming the way drugs are developed, tested and delivered and how you can build a future proof career, then this video is just for you. So let's dive in. So first of all, I would like to tell you about data engineering. So what exactly the data engineering is? In simple terms, data engineering is like all about collecting, storing, processing the large data sets and preparing them so that data scientists, researchers and AI models can use them effectively. It is different from data science. Data scientists analyze and interpret data, whereas data engineers make sure that data is clean, structured, and ready to use. For example, imagine a pharma company running a clinical trials. The patient data, lab results, sensor readings all come from different formats. So data engineers, what they do, they integrate all these data so that researchers can make informed decisions, quality information so that they can derive. So why pharma industry or pharma needs data engineers? Why is data engineering so critical in pharma? That is the question we generally used to ask. So pharmaceutical industry produces huge amount of data every day. Clinical trial results, as I have told you, genomic sequences, patient records, because every hospital used to have patient records, their manufacturing logs. So what data engineers do, they combine all the data that is coming from multiple resources and they create a pipeline to process the data efficiently, and then it is being sent to the it is being directed towards for the research and analysis area. So doing all these type of things, what type of tools or technology should we must know, we must have knowledge. So the first thing which we must all be knowing is about databases, or you can say big data. So like SQL or NoSQL, Hadoop, Spark, these are the database tools which we use to understand the data which is being kept inside the database. And after that, ETL or pipeline tools are being comes into the play, in which we must be knowing about the Apache Airflow, Talent, Nifi, these type of pipeline tools we must be having knowledge. Then we must be having the knowledge of cloud platforms, because all the data has to be kept in some cloud platform, like either you are using Amazon web services, that is AWS, or you can use Google Cloud, you can use Azure databases. So these are the different cloud platforms which generally companies use. Apart from them, which is the most important thing, is the programming language. So Python and R are the very famous programming languages which is being used for doing data analysis or data engineering thing. Then after doing all the analysis, after doing all the things, then what do? We try to visualize the data, right? We try to visualize the information in the form of some graphical formats, right? For that we need visualization tools. So the famous visualization tools which is being used are Tableau or Power BI. So these are the tools or the technologies which we must be knowing before going into the data engineering domain. So for pharmaceutical industry or pharma, the real world applications are like drug discovery, clinical trials, personalized medicine, supply chain optimization. So these are the like areas where pharmaceutical industry actually need data engineers. So data engineer in pharmaceutical industry is of great importance or great demand. You can get a role of like data engineer, cloud data engineer, bioinformatics, data engineering, ML engineer, ML pipeline engineering, like this. So as I have told you, like SQL, Python, cloud computing, it's biology and pharma itself is understanding is very important. One must be having the attitude of problem solving, communication problem, teamwork is very important, which is being used very much in the company. Uh, Apart from that, if I want to summarize it, then data engineering in pharma like is having a high growth and impactful career. You are not just working with data, you are actually helping like saving lives, speeding up the data drug discovery, improving patient care. So if you are interested, then start learning Python, SQL, cloud platforms, data pipelines, and also exploring internships in pharma industry or biotech companies, and keeping yourself updated in AI and ML innovations. So remember, data engineers are the backbone of modern pharmaceutical innovations. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the resources to get started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.